First, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion. Using the color Hippie from the Bad Habit Beauty Retro Love palette, I am placing this color down as my crease color. For this look, I'm going to be switching between a small fluffy brush with product to build up the pigment, and then I'm also going to be using a large fluffy brush with no product on it to blend out the pigment and kind of give it a good fade. As you will notice, I will repeat this step a couple different times just to gradually build up the pigment and kind of form a gradient, while also trying to manage to kind of form an eye shape as well while I am at it. I'm evening out the ends of my eye makeup with a concealer. Next, using the color Rebel from the same palette, I am placing that over top of the crease color to kind of give a yellow fade. Honestly, I really like this part of the eye makeup. This was one of my favorite little details that I added. Here I am blending the two colors together. Using the color Nirvana from the Bad Habit Beauty Dream State palette, I have sprayed a flat concealer brush with MAC Fix Plus spray, and I am foiling that color onto the eyelid as a base color. Honestly, this is one of my favorite colors from this palette just because it's such a nice beetle green color. It's really unique. You'll notice here that I'm also blending that out right where like the crease of my eye is. For a sparkling gold inner corner highlight, I'm using the color Days from the same palette foiled on a pencil brush. And yes, I know that color looks a little bit more coppery on that eye than the other one, but this shade catches light in a different way depending on the angle. I'm placing the color Icon from the Retro Love palette on top of Nirvana, and as you see, it just gives a beautiful green highlight to that eye makeup. It's one of my favorite parts of this look. Next, I'm using the color Psychedelic as a lower inner corner highlight. I'm winging out the color Free Love on my lower lash line, like so. Using the color Fab, I'm giving myself a middle lower lash line pop of color with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm using the color Psychedelic as a brow bone highlight. As always, we are entering eyeliner hell with some Dolly Wink liquid eyeliner in the color Black, and I'm starting from the middle and forming yet again an eye shape. You'll notice that it's a little thicker at the middle, and I've given myself a little baby wing, and then I'm going to form like a little inner notch in that inner corner to kind of elongate my eyes even more and make them look more fierce or more mature looking. Not sure how to explain that exactly, but you get the point. I'm also going to be lining my lash line midway with the same liquid liner. Next, I am contouring my face with a contouring brush using the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer, like so. And here came the challenging part, giving myself a nose contour, which is really difficult because I'm so pale, but I really wanted to try doing that for this look just because it was kind of more of a mature look that I felt like a nose contour was appropriate for. Here I am, trying to blend that shit out. Next, I tried to even out that shitty nose contour and also tried to highlight my nose bridge with some NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I'm just trying to blend that a little bit and salvage my many mistakes. Here I'm adding some color to my face by focusing some NARS Super Orgasm blush to the apples of my cheeks. I gave myself some major highlight using a fan brush and the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. I'm using the color Marshmallow to highlight my cheekbones, my chin, and my nose bridge, like so. Next, I'm sweeping some Holika Holika Magic Pull Mascara in the lengthening formula to my upper and lower eyelashes. For my top lashes, I'm using the Junk More series of Eye Amazing eyelashes in the style number 1. For my lower lashes, I'm using the Diamond Lash Bottom lashes in the Natural Eye style. I'm finishing off this look with my favorite liquid lipstick, which is the Sugar Pill liquid lipstick in the shade Trinket. And with that said, this look is complete, guys. I absolutely adore this look. It's so colorful and yet wearable at the same time, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit inspired by JLo's infamous green dress, but I just thought it was so appropriate for summer. Anyways, I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyed. Until next time.